This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play smooth PUBG Mobile on 4 GB RAM. First, let's dive into the basics. To begin, adjust your in-game graphics settings to smooth and set the frame rate to low for optimal performance. Always close all unnecessary background applications before starting the game to free up valuable system resources. Additionally, ensure your device has at least 2 GB of free internal storage. Finally, maintaining a stable and strong internet connection is crucial for reducing lag and ensuring a seamless experience. Now, let's fine-tune your in-game settings for the best possible experience. Set your graphics to smooth, and, if your device supports it, choose an extreme frame rate. Disabling anti-aliasing and shadows will significantly improve performance by reducing the rendering load. It's also wise to turn off auto-adjust graphics to prevent unexpected frame drops during intense moments. Always select a server with the lowest ping to ensure your connection is as responsive as possible. Beyond in-game adjustments, device maintenance plays a huge role. Regularly clear your phone's cache to free up system resources, which can make a noticeable difference. You might also consider using a dedicated game booster application. Many are available and can help optimize your phone for gaming. Always keep your device's operating system updated to the latest version for performance enhancements. Lastly, avoid playing while your phone is charging to prevent overheating, which can throttle performance. Finally, let's talk about network stability and some advanced tips. If possible, connect to a 5 GHz Wi-Fi network for a faster and more stable connection. Disabling notifications during gameplay will prevent annoying interruptions and maintain focus. It's also important to ensure your device is adequately cooled. An overheated phone will perform poorly due to thermal throttling. A simple yet effective tip is to restart your phone periodically to refresh its system memory, keeping it running smoothly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.